Hi, it's Talk World. This is the beautiful picture, and then photographer um, Jennifer gonna talk about this one. What's this about?
This is a waterfall I took a picture of at Ohio Pile State Park in Pennsylvania. It's called Cucumber Falls, and it's really fun because everybody can kind of go there and play in the water, and it's just a nice, smooth little waterfall that helps you feel refreshed and nice and cool in the summer, and it just brings a little bit of nature into your home.
Thank you so much. This is one of beautiful pictures. She has many picture that make you peaceful, and if you're interested in that, I'll put her website, and then you can get more information. Thanks so much. It's Talk Word.